Welcome to this fabulous estate. It is located at 5000 Bent Creek Drive in Floyds, Knobs. It's super special because it's beautifully appointed on 47 acres. And it features a fabulous home with more than 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths. It has a barn with 4 stalls. It has a riding arena, a private pond, and a built-in pool. It really has fabulous amenities throughout. So give me a call today should you want more details, or if you're interested in touring it. We'd love to showcase it for you.